So yes guys, today I'm here to share with you guys an amazing recipe. Yes guys, sorrel tea. And what you're gonna need guys is some dried sorrel, and this one is from the hibiscus family, okay guys? And you're gonna need some cloves, some ginger, pimento seed and honey. So guys, what you wanna do, you want to put your dried sorrel inside of your cup alongside your pimento seed, your cloves and your crushed ginger. So from there guys, what you want to do, you want to pour hot water, hot boiling water into your cup, and I'm going to cover it and then allow it to steep for 1 to 2 minutes. Guys, this plant is an amazing one. This sorrel plant is gorgeous. It helps to prevent cancer, boost immunity, help with weight loss, relieve stress. Guys, go ahead and do your Google research. So after 2 minutes of steeping, this sorrel tea is ready guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain. And today guys, I'll be using honey as usual as sweetener, okay guys? And you can actually eliminate the honey if you want. I will be using 1 teaspoon of honey just to add additional health benefit and also help with sweetening. Is it guys? This amazing sorrel tea is ready. So go ahead, give it a try and enjoy. Yes guys, this one is perfect for the Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.